Hi, welcome back to Food Travel Shopping Channel, and you're watching another restaurant remake. Today I will be using my newly purchased Creuset Mussel pot. If you have not yet seen my unboxing video, I will put this in the description box below. So what I will be making is going to be the mussel in white wine sauce. So let me show you how to make this, and don't forget to subscribe to the Food Travel Shopping channel if you have not yet done so. Hit the bell notification for our latest video and update. Also, feel free to give us a thumbs up at the end of the video and share this content with your friends and family. Let's get cooking.
Here are the ingredients to make our mussel in white wine and garlic. So I have about 2 pounds of the mussel here. Make sure you clean them. As I'm showed before, whenever I'm using shellfish, I usually go ahead and cover it with water for 15 minutes and then rinse them out individually. And then remove the beard using your hand and clean them individually. So now you can see it's clean, it's prepared here. So I have 1.5 cup of the white wine Chardonnay here. And I have 4 shallots here, sliced them. And I have 6 garlic clove minced it. Half a teaspoon of salt here, and then I have my I use my Staub here as a measuring cup here, so I have 1 full dill here, and then I have my cilantro here. So this is a very quick and easy way to make this beautiful dish, and also 6 tablespoons of butter as well. All right, so this is all the ingredients that you need to prepare this dish. So let me show you how to prepare this dish. Okay, so you want to add 1 tablespoon of oil here into your Creuset mussel pot. We're going to saute some of our shallots here first. Okay, followed by adding our onions. Followed by adding our garlic here. Okay, go ahead and add 1/3 of the butter in. I'm gonna add my salt as well. Okay, we're gonna season with some black pepper. Okay, we're gonna deglaze our pot here with our white wine. Okay, go ahead and bring this to a boil. Okay, once we bring it to a boil, we can add in our mussel. Okay, we're gonna cover it for 5 minutes and we'll come back after 5 minutes. All right, so after 5 minutes, let's open up. All right, as you can see, the mussel has opened up. This is where we're gonna add in our butter. All right. Let's go ahead and wait until the butter melted throughout, so you can stir a little bit along the way. Also gonna add in our dill here. And then add in our cilantro. Okay, give it a good stir. And then finally, I like to just add a little bit black pepper on top. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the heat. I'm gonna close back up before I serve. And then bring it over, and I'm gonna show you the final results.
Hey, for every episode of Restaurant Remake, I am gonna taste my food. So let me take and look at my mussel here. Look at how beautiful it is. And I'm gonna snatch it in my mouth. Mmm, so fresh, so good. And the best thing about the Le Creuset Mussel pot is you just empty out your shell into the pot. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and click the like button below, and don't forget to subscribe to the Food Travel Shopping channel and hit the bell notification for the latest video and update. Don't miss another episode because you want to make a pot of mussel. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my next video and update.